How to change the home screen, classic or app drawer. Right now, if I want to access all of my apps, I have to swipe up, and from here I can access my applications. So this is the app drawer home screen layout. So if you want to change that, you want to tap on settings, now tap on home screen, and now tap on home screen layout. So right now it is set to home and app screens, which is the app drawer home screen layout. So if you want more classic one, which is home screen only, then you want to tap on home screen only and then tap on apply. Now I'm going to show you what this is going to look like. So over here you can see all of my apps are in the home screen itself, so there is no need to swipe up. So these are two home screen layouts that you can change from your settings, and that is it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.